So hello guys, you are watching Fantasy Darkey and I hope you all are well. So in this video we'll talk about the viva questions related to the millikan oil drop experiment. So without wasting the time, let's get start our video. And if you are new on my channel and you are first on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button so to get the more videos, and do like also. So let's start with our first question. So here is our first question: what is an atmosizer? An atmosizer is used to spray oil drop into the apparatus. You can see the picture here also. And so the second question is what is the use of an X-ray tube? So the apparatus in this experiment is the X-ray. We are using X-ray in this experiment. X-ray tube is basically used to charge oil drops by ionizing them. So let's move on the third question. Third question is here: what is unique property shown by the charge of an oil drop? So answer is, it was found that the charge and oil drop was always some integral multiple of some minimum charge. So this is the answer of that question. Let's move for the next question. This is a fourth question, and the fourth question: how do the oil becomes charged? So the answer is frictional effects between the sides of the nozzle and the oil. And it is given in other words also, in other variants of the experiments, the oil drops are ionized using X-ray, as I already told in the previous question. So that it's our next question, and this question is the important question. The examiner will ask you this question in your exam and in your practical viva term also. So this question is: why do some droplets move up and other down? So answer is, oil drops that are moving up either contain many electrons or have a low mass, or both, low or high. See, okay. So as the force they experience due to the electric field is greater than their weight, so drops that are moving down either contain a small amount of electrons or have a large mass, or both, electrons or large mass, as their weight is larger than the electric force. So the next question, move for the next question. Here is the next question: why have some of the droplets stopping moving? So this question is also the important question: why some droplets are stopped moving? So the stationary drops are in equilibrium. The electric force is equal to the weight, means there is no electric field on the droplets, that's why they are in equilibrium. So the next question is: which of the above quantity would be hard to measure? So answer of this question is in next slide. Let me show you. Here is answer of this question. So you can do the calculation part. This is a calculation part of you can do in your own way. So this is the next slide of the answer of. Let's go to the original equations and insert your new tube. So you can use your formula and put this formula in this equation. You can get the answer. So here is the answer when you are putting the equation 1 and equation 2, and you can get the answer. So the next question is: are there any force to the consider? So the answer of this question, yes. Remember the drops in air, as I already mentioned in the previous video. Remember, the drops is in air, not in vacuum. So there is an upward buoyancy force equal to the weight of their air displacement, and this is related with this principle. This is work on this principle. So the next question is: what is the expressions for the buoyancy force? Here is given also a hint. Consider the expressions of the weight of the oil drop. So the answer of this question is next slide. This is the answer. The expression is simply the weight of air displaced the same as the weight of the oil drop, but using the density of air instead of oil, and this is the formula of that question. So let's get started our video. Let's move the next question. Now here is the next question: which of this quantity would be hard to measure? So here is some formula and equation you can do with in your own way. So let's move on the next question: which measurement gives the largest uncertainty? And this question is also important in your viva practical terms. The examiner will ask you this question also. The distance of the drops fall as it is the hardest to see. And the next question is: what is the constant value in millikan oil experiment? So here is the answer: air viscosity, oil density, air density, plate spacing, friction coefficient, charge on electron. Here is given all the constant value of related with this experiment. And the next slide is on. So thank you. Here is my, so please subscribe my channel, please, and hit the bell icon button to get the new videos. And here is my Instagram ID. Thank you for watching this video.